It's paved with miles of the unknown. Whatever seems to be your destination, take life the way it comes. Take life the way it is. Horizon in the distance, so close and yet so far away. You shouldn't be surprised when on arrival the dream has flown away, and fear is not here to stay. The road ahead never gives away a promise. The road ahead is a highway or a dead-end street, a dead-end street. Raindrops on your windscreen, they fall from heaven or from hell. You drive into the light or into darkness, uncertainty as your guide. Road ahead never gives away a promise. The road ahead is a highway or a dead-end street. The road ahead never answers any questions, and nothing is sure along the way, not even tomorrow. With my